Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 6 box break. It's 9:28:50 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Teams, dice roll, or participants first. Oh, only 3 times. Nice and quick. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Oops. Teams now. We're going. I knew it was going to be a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Random is complete without an E. About George Kaler, Wizards, Tommy Ryan, Hawks, James Jules, Grizz, Mose Gallo is Celtics, Rodney, Mavericks, Brendan, Suns, Harakura, Spurs, Stephen with the Pistons, Watson, Warriors, Josh, Coleman, Bucks, Timothy with the Wolves, Michael with the Jazz, Holland with the Rockets, Michael with the Nuggets, Blair with the Blazers, Timothy Bulls, Artie Pelicans and Cavs, Jared with the Kings, Brendan Knicks, Kristen with the Raptors, Rodney Thunder, TJ with the Lakers, Albie with the Nets, Shane Anthony Magic, Jared Widmark Heat, Tim with the Pacers, Zach with the Hornets and Clippers, and Brendan with the Sixers. And that is the teams. Don't only think about Panini, think about Upper Deck as well.